creators, this is Cat's Mouse. How y'all doing today? So today we get our paws into attempt on the bloom slash stained glass technique. For this part of the video, we are on the medium. We are mixing together 1 part Valspar Ultra High Gloss Base C, must be tinted, with 1 part Polycrylic Minwax Clear Gloss. As you can see, I am making sure that each of the containers has its own section so they do not mix, just in case we do need to make more or less later on. For this recipe, we'll be using 1 tablespoon per color, so we're going to be using half a cup of each of the base untinted and the polycrylic varnish. For the next step of the recipe, we will be using Appel barrel paints. These are craft paints that you can find in almost any craft store. For each of the colors, I'm using these little teeny silver spoons that I found at my dollar store in the wedding section. Each spoon holds about a teaspoon of color, and I'm adding them into a 2-ounce saucepan. As you will find with most craft paints, they are pretty fluid, making it less likely that they'll need additives like water. Here are the 9 colors without any additives. For the next part of the recipe, we are adding in 1 teaspoon of the polycrylic varnish to each of the colors. Once these are all mixed, we'll have a 1-to-1 ratio of paint to varnish. Next up, we will be adding the polycrylic and the base. 1 tablespoon each per color, and this will also be a 1-to-1. So now once all your colors are well mixed, you want to put them aside and let all of the bubbles rise. Once again, we used the Appel barrel paints in the various colors alongside the Minwax Polycrylic Clear Gloss Varnish and Valspar Ultra Base C Non-Tinted Exterior High Gloss. Next part of the recipe will be using Sherwin-Williams house paint. This is from their Oops section, and our samplers will be doing 1 teaspoon per cup. We are also adding 4 tablespoons of US Floetrol or Flood, and here we are with the 4 tablespoons of US Floetrol and 1 teaspoon of the Sherwin-Williams house paints. We are now adding 15 drops per container of the Minwax wood conditioner. And here we are using the Sherwin-Williams house paints on regular everyday CDs. Now once the base is laid, you do want to make sure that all of the air pockets have rows to the top. Here I'm trying to show you the Oops paints, and then we are going to be now mixing and layering the paint onto our CDs. With these, for each color, I am going to drizzle them over the top, kind of just giving them a little bit of unique designs. And like anything creative that I try to do, I do make a huge mess. But we just keep on rolling. I first came across this technique from Kathy Miller. Her YouTube channel is wonderful. If you guys love this style of painting and the glass, next up, we will be trying the first AC out. This is again the Sherwin-Williams with the Oops paints mixed in with the Floetrol, the United States, with the wood conditioner. I got so happy here. As you can see, it actually worked. However, later on finding out that the Floetrol was actually bad, so precious is bestest. Guys, I got so happy doing this. I really thought I had it. I was so excited. I jumped up and down. I ran out and I showed my husband. I was really, really stoked. Now we're next to our second CD, and once again I am using the purple AC on top. And once again, it did start off with the beautiful lacing and the lighten cells, and it was just wonderful. It looked so pretty. And here's the close-up to that one. Once again, we had some really good, gorgeous peacocking. We've had the sails, the lightning. It needed a little bit of tweaking, and I was so excited to get some of these colors. And oh, I was just over the moon. Here are the items, still wet. The purple AC worked pretty nicely. I do believe if it was more fresh, it would have worked better. The white did not work whatsoever. As you can see, it turned pretty cloudy, almost like if you were looking over a map view of the items. And as you can see with them dry, we still had on the purple AC, you still had a lot of the beautiful peacocking going on. So I'm hoping with more of practice, we'll get a better recipe. Guys, I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. And like always, I hope you find one thing that makes you smile. Bye!